What's up YouTube, it's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. If you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. Also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. Got this package in from End Clothing, so let's crack this open right here. And this was actually an under retail pickup. You can see that's their box. So it looks like they switched their box around, I guess for the winter time. Looks like a snowflake with End up top and clothing. So they bag it and double box, which is very nice. Here's the packaging, the receipt. Right there, as you can see, it is a Nike Air Force One box right there. Ooh, it's kind of bright. Okay, black box, Nike Air Force One 07 Premium, size 10, UK 9. And the colorway is Vachetta Tan. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, but you got the paper with the stars on it. And here they are. You know, these released a while back, but I just never picked it up. But since they were under retail pickup, decided to pick these up right here. And these look fresh to me. You got the white bottom there, and then you got the Vachetta Tan, and take out this shoe tray right here. You know, the leather is very nice, so you can see right there. Air Force One. Right there you get the Nike Air, and you also have Nike Air inside. But just a dope shoe. You know, nice quality for the price, in my opinion. Right there. There's the other pair. So, ready to, if you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. For YouTube, peace out.